This video is to demonstrate to you how to use Spotlight and pin video in Zoom. What you see is 3 computers set up right now. You see the top, and then bottom left and right. I'm going to turn on the video on computer 2. As you can see, computer 2's camera is pointing from behind me. What I'm going to do is to navigate in computer 1 on top and spotlight computer 2, the back picture. When I use Spotlight in Zoom, it will affect every single participant. So everyone's main view will be the spotlighted video. Go to the 3 dot and choose Spotlight Video. As you can tell, every single participant's main view has changed to the Spotlight video, and the rest becomes the smaller icon on the top. Individually, they can change. For example, I'm going to go down to computer 2 to manipulate how it looks without affecting the spotlighted video. For example, come down to computer 2, I can change the gallery view. I'm still seeing all 3, but the spotlighted video will still be in the center. I can change back to the speaker view. I can cancel the spotlight here. But if I don't cancel it, I can still move between speaker view and gallery view. That is Spotlight. You can use that while a speaker is speaking. That way, every single participant will have the speaker spotlighted, whether they use the speaker view or the gallery view. Another option is to pin a video. Pinning a video only affects your own computer. When I pin a video in computer 3, it will not affect computer 1 or computer 2. For example, I'm going to pin this picture, that's the live picture from computer 1 that is being shown in computer 3. As I come down to computer 3, I come to the 3 dots of the computer 1 screen with me active in it. I will pin this video. As you can tell, in computer 3, I have pinned my main video as the speaker as the pinned video. With that, computer 3 can always adjust in terms of between the speaker view and gallery view without affecting the other participant. I am switching between gallery view and speaker view. If there are more than 3 people, this pinned video will still be in the main spot. And just like earlier, you can unpin the video and go back to the gallery view. When would you use it? One example is when you are speaking yourself and you want to pin the video of the timer. That way, the timer video will always be around. In summary, when you spotlight a video, it changes everybody in the meeting. Usually it's the host who can do that. But when you pin a video, each individual participant can pin a video that they would like to stay on their desktop, and it will not affect the rest of the other participant in the meeting. Hope this is helpful.